How to improve vocabulary. Welcome back to our Learn English in 30 Days series. Today's focus is on building a strong vocabulary. A rich vocabulary makes communication more effective, helps you express your ideas clearly, and makes you sound more confident. Let's explore some practical tips. And to make things engaging, we'll also follow Sam's story, a young man on his journey to improving his English vocabulary. Step 1. Learn a few words every day. Start small and learn just 2 to 3 new words daily. Write them down in a notebook. This helps you focus and remember better. For example, curious, wanting to know more. I'm curious about how to improve my English vocabulary. Brave, showing courage. Learning English is a brave decision. Grateful, feeling thankful. I'm grateful for all the tips I'm learning in this series. In Sam's story, he bought a small notebook and called it his word journal. Each day, he learned 3 new words and wrote example sentences. Over time, this habit made a big difference in his vocabulary. Step 2. Use words in context. Simply knowing the meaning isn't enough. You need to use the words in real-life situations. Try creating sentences, talking to friends, or even thinking to yourself in English. Sam practiced this by using his new words in conversations. When he learned the word adventurous, he used it in a sentence with his friend. "I've been feeling adventurous lately," Sam said. This not only helped him remember the word, but also boosted his confidence in using it. Step 3. Make vocabulary fun. Learning can be fun. Watch English videos. Whenever you come across a new word, pause, write it down, and create a sentence. Another fun idea is to play a word association game. Pick a word like happy and think of related words: cheerful, joyful, excited. This helps you build connections between words. Practice with Sam's story. Let's take a break from the tips and dive into Sam's full story to practice your reading skills. Sam's journey to building vocabulary. Sam was a quiet and shy person. He often found himself struggling in conversations. His friends would chat fluently, using words like exquisite and intriguing, while Sam barely managed to say, "That's nice." One day at work, Sam's manager asked him to give a presentation. Sam froze. He couldn't find the right words, stumbled over sentences, and ended the presentation quickly. Later that evening, sitting in his room, he thought, "This has to change. I want to express myself confidently." Sam decided to set a goal: learn 3 new words every day. He bought a small notebook and started his word journal. The first 3 words he learned were curious, grateful, brave. He wrote each word in his journal, its meaning, and an example sentence. But Sam didn't stop there. He started using these words in his conversations. At first, it felt awkward, but with practice, he got better. Sam made vocabulary learning fun. He watched English videos with subtitles and paused to note down interesting words. He also labeled items in his room with sticky notes like desk and mirror. A month later, at a party, Sam surprised everyone by confidently joining a conversation. His friend said, "Sam, you've become so confident." Looking back, Sam felt proud of himself. He learned that improving vocabulary wasn't just about memorizing words. It was about using them, enjoying the process, and staying consistent. Now, Sam confidently gives presentations at work, writes beautiful emails, and even cracks jokes in English. He often tells others, "If I can do it, anyone can." Just take one small step every day. Step 4. Label your environment. Label the items around you with English words. This is a simple yet powerful way to surround yourself with English. For example, write table on your dining table. Write door on your room door. Sam tried this technique and found it very effective. By surrounding himself with English, he became more comfortable with the language. Step 5. Stay consistent. Consistency is the key to improvement. Just like Sam, practice every day, even if it's for a few minutes. Over time, the small steps add up and lead to significant progress. Vocabulary is the heart of communication. By learning new words daily, using them in context, and making the process fun, you can make incredible progress. Remember Sam's story. It's proof that with dedication, anyone can improve their vocabulary. Keep practicing, and you'll see the results for yourself. Let's make learning English an enjoyable journey together. Thank you for watching. Our series Learn English in 30 Days is helping so many people improve their skills step by step. We've already covered 3 days of lessons, and there's much more to come. If you want to start from the beginning, check out our previous videos on the channel Learn and Fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with all 30 days of tips and strategies to learn English. See you in the next lesson.